Greetings, my name is Pastor Graham. I'm coming to you on behalf of the School of the Prophets and Teachers of Jesus Christ. Today we're going to be giving a working definition of what a woman is. For some reason, in today's age, in these last days, something as simple as defining a woman is now something very complicated. On March 23rd, our future Supreme Court Justice, Ketanji Brown Jackson, was asked by a senator, how would you define a woman? And Mrs. Jackson could not define what a woman was. She herself is a woman who is married to a man, and yet she could not define what a woman is because of these last days, because of a perverted culture that says that somehow you can choose your gender depending on how you feel in a particular time. And so we just want to give a quick definition of a woman according to the Bible. Actually, we're going to give 4. They're all found in Genesis. We'll make sure that you have the location of these scriptures so that you can go and share it with someone who does not know how to define a woman. Definition 1 of a woman. She was made to be a helpmate for a man. That means that a woman is perfectly suited for a man. Female is perfectly created for a man. She is a vital part of who the man or male is. And so that's the first definition, that she is a helpmate to man. The second definition of a woman is that it is a being that was taken from man. That God, after he created Adam, he put him to sleep, and he took of his rib, and from his rib he created another being perfectly suited for Adam, and she was called woman. And so a woman is a being that is taken from a man. Definition 3. A woman is a being that has the ability to give birth to children. One of her helpmate functions is to bear children for the man, to multiply humans on the earth. And so again, the importance of a woman, that we cannot multiply without her. She's very important. And so again, these definitions have been here for a very long time. The last definition of what a woman is, Adam pronounced her name to be Eve. Eve means she is the mother of all living. And so a woman, her function in her nature, in her spirit, in her soul, she is a life giver. She is one who naturally take care of and defend life. And so that's why it's so puzzling when in these last days we have women who promote the right to murder children, when in her being she is one who naturally protects life. But I think it's just indicative of these last days, and where something that's so natural is taking care of life. We see that now a lot of women are convinced that taking life is something that they should fight for the right to have. Um, we see that, in these last days, we're calling what is wrong right and what's right wrong. Um, we can't define what a woman is because we have a society that want to, for some reason, turn men into women and women into men. And so in these last days, Christians have to be very, very alert, and we have to know who and what God has said we are. And that's our power. That's our power to go forward in these last days. It's interesting that Miss Jackson is not sure of how to define a woman, but she is so sure that a woman has a right to an abortion, that a woman has a right to murder an unborn child. Proof that she is pro-murder, pro-choice. February 25th of this year, NARAL, NARAL, a pro-choice group, celebrated her nomination. They were delighted that they had a pro-choice candidate for the next Supreme Justice. And so it's kind of sad. But again, as believers, we are to speak the truth. We are to stand up for the truth. And yes, we are to defend life. And so in order to defend life, we must give proper definitions of what a man is, what a woman is, and what is our duty as human beings to protect life. So until next time, we'll talk to you very soon. Take care.